all you guys? Hope you all are fit and fine. First of all, thank you for your support and thanks for your love. First of all, if you are my new viewer and you are watching my video first time, please do subscribe my channel and must press the bell icon to get the daily latest updates. DIY project transforming old clothes into something beautiful and functional, from forgotten to fabulous, transforming old clothes into creative DIY masterpieces. So please watch my full video till end. I really hope that you really like all the ideas in this video you will see. Have a pile of old clothes tucked away in the bed. Too sentimental to throw out but too outdated to wear. Don't lose them. Transform them with a little creativity, some basic tools and a spark of imagination. Those tired tees, worn out jeans and oversized shirts can begin a second life as a stunning, practical and totally unique DIY projects. Imagine turning your dad's old flannel shirt into a cozy patchwork pillow, or crafting a boho style tote bag from your favorite pair of jeans that no longer fit. A plain cotton t-shirt can be reworn as a knotted truck, a stylish crop top, or even braided into colorful headbands, and that floral dress you adored as a teenager. It might become the prettiest fabric covered journal or a dainty bunting banner for your room. Start by sorting your clothes by fabric, type, color and texture. Soft cottons and knits are ideal for projects like baby bibs, plush toys or quilts. Sturdier fabrics like denim or corduroy work well for bags, aprons and storage bags. Add lace buttons or embroidery for extra charm and personality. Not only do these DIYs help reduce textile waste and save money, but they also carry stories, memories sewn into every thread. You are not only these DIY help reduce textile waste and save money, but they also carry stories, memories sewn into every thread. You are just not making something useful. You are giving history a new purpose. Whether you are a beginner or a second or after, turning old clothes into creative treasures is an emotional and fulfilling journey that reconnects you with your past while shaping something beautiful for your future. So grab these scissors, thread your needle and let your imagination run wild. The most beautiful creations often begin with something worn and forgotten, waiting for your hands to bring them back to life. So guys, I really hope that you really like all the craft materials that I shared with you. If you have any question related to this video, please let me know in comment section. In my next video I will give you many other unique and very beautiful craft ideas. So don't forget to like, subscribe and share. God bless you guys. Love you all. Remember, when your prayers, take care of yourself. Bye bye.